You're watching YouTube videos about how to use Google Ads. Problem is, everyone's teaching the same old stuff. They are old strategies that do not work anymore. And you are pulling your hair out trying to figure out how to use Google Ads so you can get more customers and more clients for your services. If you are not a service-based business, have zero interest in learning about how to ethically exploit Google Ads backdoor method, you can go ahead and you can skip this advert. I used to struggle to get customers and clients, and I was overpaying on traffic platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I was competing in an overcrowded, saturated market by using these platforms, and I struggled to get customers and clients until one day I tried this backdoor Google Ads method, and then my business exploded. Me and my clients are currently exploiting a backdoor Google Ads method that only 10% of other service-based business owners are using right now. For the first time, Google Ads is wide open. This is the same method we are using to get an endless stream of high quality customers and clients who want to buy our services. We are absolutely literally cleaning up by using this part of Google that is unknown to a lot of people and only 10% of people are using right now. If this video has resonated with you and you really want to take advantage of this awesome opportunity where you can ethically exploit Google Ads backdoor method to grow your services, then I've prepared a free training for you that is going to just blow your mind. I'm super excited to show you this. This is going to really help you get high quality customers and clients for your services. So go ahead, click on the link around this video. It'll take you to my landing page. Go and register and watch the training. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you on there. Thank you.